Welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to change the password of your TanTan account. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. As you can see on my screen, guys, this is my particular TanTan account and this is my particular inbox where I can explore, and this is my particular profile as well. So simply to change the password, if you have got any of the problem related to password and you want to change it, all you gotta do is go to me option just like this, which will take you to your profile section. So you can see here is a various option, and just below verify your profile you can see setting option. Tap on it. So going to the setting option, you will see lots of app setting option over here. All you gotta do is tap on account and security option just below data and storage. This will take you to various option again, and just below phone number you can see update your password. Tap on it. So now if you want to change your password, all you gotta do is first of all get a code on the number that you've used to create your account. So tap on get code just like this. So wait for it, and now you'll get a code. That would be a 4-digit code. So you just see over here that I do have a code, and I'm simply tap on it just like this, and I'm gonna set a new password as well. So I'm gonna set a new password, alright, which is going to be easier for me to use again and again. And after this I'm gonna tap on done option. So you can see password has been successfully changed. So this is how you do it, guys. This is how you update or change the password of your TanTan account. So if this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you, I'm gonna see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.